Welcome to our guide on keeping your hard hat clean and safe. Let's dive into the simple steps for regular and deep cleaning. For regular cleaning, you'll need mild soap, warm water, a soft cloth, and a soft brush. Start by removing any removable parts like the suspension system and sweatband. Wash the shell and suspension with mild soap and warm water. Use a soft brush to scrub away any stubborn dirt or grime. Rinse thoroughly with clean water. Allow all parts to air dry completely before reassembling. For deep cleaning stubborn stains or odors, you'll need vinegar, baking soda, a soft cloth, and a soft brush. Make a paste with baking soda and water for spot cleaning. Apply the paste to the stained area and scrub gently with a soft brush. For odor removal, soak the shell and suspension in a mixture of water and vinegar, using a 1:1 ratio, for 30 minutes. Rinse thoroughly and let it air dry. And that's it. Regular and deep cleaning will keep your hard hat in top condition, ensuring your safety and comfort on the job. For all your PPE needs, reach out to us today.